What's up, you sassy sailors? Turn to page 803. Right now. This instant. Alright, you good? Excellent. Now we're doing the chapter 25.2, and we're connecting to your world by this lovely paragraph. Weather stripping and insulating help lower heating and cooling bills by conserving energy. They can, however, reduce exchange of indoor and outdoor air. As a result, radioactive substances such as radon gas can accumulate indoors and pose a health risk. Radon-222 is a radioactive isotope that is present naturally in the soil in some areas. It has a constant rate of decay. In this section, you will learn about decay rates of radioactive substances. And as an addition to that, the key concepts: what determines the type of decay a radioisotope undergoes? How much of a sample of radioisotope remains after each half-life? What are two ways that a transmutation can occur? The vocabulary is nuclear force, band of stability, positron, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, half-life, transmutation, and transuranium elements. Nuclear stability and decay.
You guys can do vocab while we're doing scan and write if you want to.
Yes, do that.
Do vocab, guys.
Okay.
Do it. Do it now.
Don't listen to Sam.
Neutron to proton ratio determines the type of decay that occurs. Half-life. After each half-life, half of the existing radioactive atoms have decayed into atoms of new elements. Transmutation reactions. Transmutation can occur by radioactive decay. Transmutation can also occur when particles bombard the nucleus of an atom. And figures.
Sam's supposed to be up here. Sam, you're supposed to be doing pictures.
I'm doing pictures now?
He's doing pictures.
I was doing pictures. I'm doing
No, I thought Sam was supposed to be doing pictures.
Figure 25 point.
Figure 25.4. Neutron versus proton plot of all stable nuclei forms a pattern called the band of stability, shown in red. Figure 25.5. This decay curve shows that during each half-life, half of the reactive atoms decay into atoms of another element. Figure 25.6. Uranium-238 decays through a complex series of radioactive intermediates, including radon Rn gas. Figure 25.7. This archaeologist is digging for artifacts. The age of an artifact can often be determined from the measure of carbon-14 content. Figure 25.8. This first artificial transmutation reaction involved bombarding nitrogen gas with flammable particles as illustrated here.
Actually, so we have the test questions. So the test question we found was number 16, and it says, what is the approximate half-life of uranium-238? And the answer is D, billions of years. That's our test question. Now we can do RQ, which is Zane.
Well, we gotta do notes.
Oh.
Alright, we're doing vocab first, and I'll be quick. Alright, so the first word is nuclear force. Nuclear force is an attractive force that acts between all nuclear particles that are extremely close together, such as protons and neutrons, in a nucleus. Band of stability. The nuclei that are in a region. Positron is a particle with the mass of an electron, but a positive charge. Half-life is the time required for one half the nuclei of a radioisotope sample to decay to products. Transmutation is the conversion of an atom of one element to an atom of another element. And transuranium elements is the element in the periodic table with atomic numbers above 92, the atomic number of uranium. Okay, and notes.
Alright, I'm gonna stop there.
Go to page 804. 805 and copy table 25.3.
For notes.
For notes, section 25.2.
I don't know how long this is gonna take. Put on your head. Just kidding. That line's really bright. Like if you just stand for it, you probably
Does somebody want to make the music call? The what?
Yeah.
Oh, music?
Say TA, music.
TA music.
Music,
Are
please.
they on video still? Oh,
Do you want me to?
Ready?
I just think you're.
Go.
Okay, everybody, underneath your table, put RQ1 into section 25.2, page.
808.
Can somebody read number 1?
What determines the type of decay a radioisotope will undergo?
Alright, capital T. The neutron to proton ratio determines the type of decay that a radioisotope undergoes. Period. Top of period.
And number 2 says,
Wait, hold on.
Is it going to read it?
You guys really think about it?
Alright, 2.
Thanks, Squilly.
Alright.
Takes a good deal of vigilance to keep you from, you're clever and determined.
2 says, how much of a sample of radioisotope remains after 1 half-life and after 2 half-lives?
capital A. After each half-life, half of the existing radioactive atoms have decayed into atoms of another element. Capital A. After each half-life, half of the existing radioactive atoms have decayed into atoms of another
Missed a comma.
element.
By the way.
You grandma Nazi.
Period.
Patina.
G then.
Pancakes. Are we done?
You're done.
Think we're done.
But